Okay, we are back with our June tips and tricks. So, this is everything that you need to know for your social content in June. We're going to give you lots of information about different types of things that you can be posting and really how to embrace social media in the month of June. So, listen to these tips and then make sure to click the link below to see the entire document of June tips and tricks. You can print it out and have it with you and make sure that you start the summer off really strong with some amazing content. For June, I really want to emphasize community. Embrace the vibrant spirit of community. Pools are open, farmers markets are happening all over the place, festivals, concerts, everything is happening in the month of June. It is finally warm out and people are out and about. There's energy everywhere. So it is really the perfect time to step out, connect, engage, and make sure you are taking advantage of those opportunities on your social media. Community is really important, especially for small businesses. The more you are involved and engaged with the local community, whether it be your neighborhood or a local business or, in a networking association, the better off your business is going to be. And don't just do that in a silo. Make sure that you are taking pictures and you're posting about it on social media so that you can increase your brand awareness. One of the things that we harp on a lot is talking about the authenticity in social media. And these types of events really, documenting them and making sure that you are posting about them, whether that be on your stories or reels or just static images, will really help shake up your social media marketing and get you away from that templated blah feel. It will really give people a insight into who you are and your personality and what you like to do, and that is so important. So make sure that you embrace community and the energy of summer for your June content. So for any small business owner, something that you can do this month is maybe hold a welcome to summer barbecue or some sort of event, whether that be in your neighborhood or your broader community or at the country club that you belong to really kick the season off. You can organize a fun event for the community with food, games, music, giveaways. You can partner with other local businesses to do this and really just support each other as well as the community. This will give you a chance to build rapport with potential clients in a really relaxed, enjoyable atmosphere. Of course, wouldn't be your social media tips if we didn't say take pictures, take videos, show off the community and what you are doing, and give a glimpse into who you are. As for your content and planning out your schedule, there are a lot of different social media holidays that are happening in June. One of which is World Environment Day. So there's a lot of different things you could do for that, whether you are a small business who maybe is reducing your use of plastic or challenging your local network to do something to help the environment. That's something you should think about right now to promote on social media. Like I said before, there's so many farmers markets going on all over the country. So go to an area of farmers market, take some pictures and videos, buy some goods from one of the local vendors and share it out on social media, and make sure you tag that local vendor. Show a little bit of appreciation to them. Other events and activities that are happening in your area during the month of June, a quick Google search can tell you what these events and activities are. There's, like I said, lots of local concert series and live music, and different breweries are doing things and different kid-friendly activities. Even if these things have nothing to do with your business, they are absolutely going to help you grow your brand on social media and show that you are a part of your community where you are trying to do business. The other really big thing, especially for the early summer months and then the early fall months, is dog-friendly patios or rooftop bars, anywhere where people can go and be outside. So make sure that you frequent those places, take videos, write reviews, and put them on your social media. There are a lot of other social media holidays, which are all in our newsletter. So, like I said, make sure you click the link and get that newsletter, print it out, and take a look at it right now, because there may be things that you can post out about, or you can just snap some pictures or videos over the next couple days or weeks before these social media holidays that really will help bring that authenticity to your social media, rather than the same old templated content square that you're going to post out saying Happy World Bicycle Day. Maybe that is an example of one, right? So that's on June 3rd. If you are into riding bikes, post a picture, talk about how it has helped you stay active, talk about your favorite bike trail, stuff like that, where you can really engage your local community, is going to be very, very helpful. Way more helpful than those templated posts. Now, I'm not saying that templated posts don't have a place. They do. But if you are one that struggles to come up with authentic content that really speaks to your audience and to your local community, these holidays and suggestions to share are all really good things for you to take a look at now and figure out what resonates with you and how you can snap some pictures without having to make a big to-do about it and go out and do a photo shoot and all of that. So like I said, there's World Bicycle Day. On June 7th, there's also World Caring Day. There's, again, a lot of suggestions for sharing in the newsletter. So take a look at that. There's National Best Friends Day on June 8th. There is, of course, Father's Day on June 16th, first day of summer on June 20th, and lots and lots and lots more. So make sure that you take a look at those, because it will absolutely help with your social media over the month of June. Literally everything that is in there, if you only do a handful of the suggestions in our newsletter, it will still give you a really, really, really good leg up on your June content, and it will be authentic to you, which is why we do these newsletters and don't just do them for you. Because if you are not putting your own content out there, if you are not in your social media at all, it is not helping your brand. So make sure that you put your face out there, you get involved in your community, and you're posting about it on social media. It will help your business grow. If you want more information, 1-minute coaching, videos, or to make sure that you see these every month, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. And reach out to us if you have any questions. I have no problem making a little video. Most likely other people have had the same questions. So don't be shy, reach out, and we are happy to help you with your social media marketing. Have a great June.